Never boil eggs in that boring way again. Instead of simply dropping eggs into plain boiling water, follow me to turn boiling eggs into a much more fun and colorful experience than you can imagine. Tip 1. Beautiful green boiled eggs with purple cabbage. Prepare 1 fresh purple cabbage, wash it clean and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Place a pot on the stove, then arrange a layer of chopped purple cabbage at the bottom of the pot first to create a base layer. Next, gently place 3 eggs on top of that layer of purple cabbage. After that, cover the eggs with another layer of purple cabbage so that the eggs are sandwiched between the 2 layers of cabbage. Pour water into the pot until it completely covers the purple cabbage. Add a little vinegar to the water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on your taste. Cover the pot with a lid and boil over medium heat for about 8 minutes. When the time is up, quickly remove the eggs and immediately immerse them in a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's peel the eggs together to discover the secret inside. Wow! Thanks to boiling them together with purple cabbage and a little vinegar, the egg whites have changed from their usual white color to a gentle, beautiful green. The eggs not only have an eye-catching color but also retain their natural fresh flavor, with the yolk perfectly cooked. This dish is truly impressive. You can show it off to your whole family, and I'm sure everyone will be amazed and compliment it. Tip 2. Prepare 1 sandwich bread loaf or square bread. Use a sharp knife to cut a round hole of appropriate size in the center of the loaf, creating a nest to hold the filling. This is an extremely simple but delicious recipe that I learned from my grandmother. With just 1 loaf of bread and a few familiar ingredients, you can immediately have an attractive breakfast that is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, making the whole family fall in love and keep asking for more. Please support me by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and leaving a comment below. Cut 1 onion into thin slices, then arrange the onion slices evenly inside the hole in the bread. Next, cut the bacon into small pieces and spread a layer on top of the onion. Cut half a green bell pepper into small dice, then layer it on top of the bacon. Wash and finely chop a little fresh parsley, then spread it evenly as the final layer on top. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl and beat them well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Slowly pour the egg mixture into the bread loaf so that it covers all the ingredients. Season with a little ground black pepper and salt to taste. Grate a generous amount of mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese and spread a thick layer on top. Finally, cut cherry tomatoes in half and sprinkle them over the cheese layer for a beautiful look. Place the bread loaf into a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese melts. The top of the bread turns a beautiful golden color and the bread becomes crispy. While waiting for the bread to bake, let's make a super delicious dipping sauce. Put sour cream or plain yogurt into a small bowl. Finely chop a little fresh dill and add it in. Grate half a cucumber finely and grate 2 garlic cloves. Then mix everything together well. The sauce is ready, fragrant, lightly tangy, and perfectly complements the bread. Look at this. The outside of the bread is super crispy, while the inside is soft and moist with perfectly cooked egg filling, stretchy cheese, sweet and fragrant onions, and plenty of fresh vegetables. This is not just an ordinary breakfast, but a truly fun and appealing dish. Both kids and adults will love it. Try making it right today and let me know your feelings in the comment section. Which part do you like the most? The egg filling or the stretchy cheese layer? If you want to receive more quick, delicious, and easy recipes made from simple, everyday ingredients, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next cooking recipe videos.